Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can recreate the iconic Mean Girls Christmas outfit in Dress to Impress. Super simple. You don't need VIP. You do need this Christmas hat. I think it's purchasable now via like snowflakes. Let me actually check. Yes, it costs 50 snowflakes, but other than that, it's free. So I just did Regina George, but you can do any one you like. They all have the same outfits, so I'm just going to remove everything except for the hat and the hair. So for the top, we are going to use this top right here in toggle 3. Just the fur top and remove the belt. Color it red in like silk. I think we'll just do silk, and then we'll also use this in the silk color, in the silk material in red, because there is a like line. And then for the gloves, we're just going to use this one. Oh my gosh, this is in the way if I'm being honest. Okay, this one, no fur in black and light silk. And then for the shoes, we're going to get this one in just the knee length one. And we're not going to change anything. Maybe change it to black. Okay, it's already black. Then for the skirt, we're going to use this one in red, in silk, toggle on fur, and then we're going to color the rest in black in like light silk as well. And then for the hat, we're just going to use the Santa hat. Not going to change the color of it, and I just adjusted it, positioned the Y to 0.47, rotated the X to 0.52, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!